Hi, this is Dr. Gombele from drg.com. I'm inviting you to our new series of health presentations. Before I continue, I would like to wish all the fathers of the world, wherever you are, a happy Father's Day. And I'm going to show you my Father's Day gift, cake made of fruit. All right, because I was on 40 days fruitarian diet, so my children thought like to culminate the diet on a fruit-like cake. So this is my Father's Day gift. Last time, you remember we introduced the topic of me having a fruitarian diet for 40 days. Today, we are going to define different types of sugar that we find in whatever we consume. Before I start my topic of today, I'm going to invite you to like, share, subscribe, and click to the notification bell so that when I upload my very next videos, you can be notified. We are going to define few words: sucrose, fructose, and glucose. What is sucrose? Sucrose is nothing than table sugar, and in French is very close. We call it in French sucre, right? So sucrose is the table sugar. The table sugar comes from sugar cane or beets, right? So when we consume this table sugar that we put in our coffee, in our beverages, when it gets into our body, it splits into two. The first one is called fructose, the sugar from the fruit, and the second one is called what? Glucose. Both breaks down differently, gets to different organs, and they have different functions in our body. Let me start with fructose. Fructose, once consumed, it goes straight into liver. From the stomach to the intestine, and from the intestine get into the liver. Into the liver, it has numerous functions, but the most important function is to be served as energy. Liver is a big fabric, is a big plant into our body. It has 500 different functions, so it needs a lot of energy, and liver gets its energy from fructose. Once we consume table sugar, the fructose goes to the liver straight, where it's going to be used as a source of energy within the liver. But glucose now, after it has been absorbed, exit the liver, get into the bloodstream. It stays there. It waits to insulin, which will come then, get it out of the bloodstream into the body, into the vessel. There, into the body, it will also be used as a source of energy, but in two different sections of our body. So fructose, sugar from the fruit, get down to the liver. Glucose, still from sucrose, sugar after exiting the liver, get into the bloodstreams, and it waits for insulin, which will now open the bloodstream so that the sugar, the glucose, can exit the bloodstream into the body, where it's going to be used as a source of energy. Two different molecule we are talking here. One is fructose, the other one is glucose. Now, once the fructose from the fruit is processed, it becomes high fructose corn syrup. It is used in various drinks. This is high fructose corn syrup. Very different from the fructose from the fruit. The fructose here is artificially made. It doesn't have vitamins, it doesn't have minerals, it doesn't have antioxidant. The fructose in the food that we consume has minerals, vitamins, antioxidant, and more importantly has what? Fibers that help to slow down the absorption of the fructose. So the question we will be answering in my next video is fructose in the fruit healthy, or the sucrose from the sugar cane is healthy? How healthy is the high fructose corn syrup? I got a lot of questions. People asking, too much fruit is not good. Too much natural fruit, it's not good. But before I make my conclusion, I want to settle the problem. Fructose in the whole fruit naturally consumes is not bad for our health. In fact, studies have shown that fructose in the fruit with vegetables, they help to lose weight, they help to control diabetes, they help to reduce weight as indicated earlier, they protect the heart, and they protect the body from numerous cancers. While high fructose corn syrup, responsible for obesity, responsible for metabolic syndrome, diabetes, high cholesterol, and many other medical conditions. So my disclosure of my findings in my diet will consist of how was my energy level, was my weight affected, did I gain or did I lose weight, how was my trips to the restroom, because I got a lot of questions. How did you go to the bathroom? Wow, only eating fruit, you must just having diarrhea every day. No. How was my sleep? How was my energy level to perform my duty? I work at A&E. I am at 2 private practices. I visit 4 nursing homes. My days are packed, right? So you may think eating only fruit, I was lethargic. No, I was active. I stopped consuming some vitamins and mineral that I usually consume. I even stopped walking, really to see the effect of fruitarian diet on my body. It promises to be interesting, informative, and motivational. I invite you in my next video where I will be now dealing with the fruitarian diet that I use for 40 days. But I thought it was important to define fructose from sucrose and glucose. Sucrose is made of 50% fructose and 50% of glucose. Fructose gets straight to the liver while glucose gets to the body. But fructose does not need insulin while glucose need insulin to get into our body. When we measure our blood sugar in our body, we are talking about glucose, not fructose, right? So diabetes is in fact glucose problems. And then people are going to say, what about the fatty liver? I'm going to stop right here. Next time I want to tell you, too much of fructose, which we must eat like 200 mangoes before we get to too much, because if you eat 5 and 10 mangoes, you're not eating enough. Remember, they have fibers, they have minerals, they have vitamins, and mangoes are what? Filling, but not glucose or not high fructose corn syrup. They are just liquid. They don't have fibers, they don't have vitamins, they do not have minerals. So you can drink. So when we talk about the fatty liver, it's more carbs than fructose, because as we know, too much carbs, when they break down to glucose, they are kept in the liver as what? Glycogen. Too much glycogen now, where liver cannot manage carbs, which I mean glucose, can only be converted into what? Fat. So when we are fasting, when we are not eating or we are sleeping, the glucose kept in the liver get back to the glycogen kept in the liver get back to glucose, so that we can use the glucose, right? So the too much fructose, we know, get to triglyceride, which is not good for the health. But not the fructose in the fruit, the fructose in the beverage, right? So I invite you in my next video, where I will be dealing on my fruitarian diet, what it has done to me, and I will explain again the consequences of too much high fructose corn syrup, and if there is any consuming whole fruit diet. Before you go, remember to like, share, and click the notification bell so that I can inform you of my very next videos that I'm going to upload. Mbote mwana mboka. Adios. Au revoir mon ami. Ngamo, losakomo, ela kaonja komba. Dokotolo, monganga, Dr. Gombele. Bye bye.